Dalawa in the semifinals just last year, magandang serye. The year before that in the finals, or rather 2 years before that in the finals.
Of course, sugatan po itong ating defending champions ng Barangay Ginebra dahil nga hindi pa naglalaro. Ito si Mark Agiwa, Alapag using the Edeo Campos. Tuloy, gumamit pa ng kaliwa. And Jimmy Alapag, mukhang other prize starter para kay Coach Joe Chico. Paul Artadi gives it to Sunday Salvacion for that team. JJ Hildebrand, binigay kay Artadi. Good pass and good finish. Ang ganda kagad ng finals nung nakaraang Philippine Cup. Kung saan nanalo Barangay Ginebra. Ito na naman, Billy Mamaril. Ginebra. Gandang pasa dito para kay Harvey Carey. Nakompleto yan ni Harvey Carey. May foul. Invincible nga itong Token Text phone fouls. Kaya nga lang, nakita na doon na pwede palang matalo itong Token Text phone fouls. Pinakita yun ng Pure Foods TJ Giants. 6 to shoot para sa Barangay Ginebra. Pihit niya, binigay kay Mamaril. Mamaril, pinumpleto yung play. Ginebra like this teamwork right here. At nakompleto ni Rafi Rivas. Coming off a timeout para sa Token Text. Ito na naman fast break play. Wala. Second servings para dito kay Rafi. Realize ito na ngayon. Handoff kay Harvey Carey. Yan si Dio Campos. Soft jumper is good.
To overcome the height deficiency na meron nila.
Ito naman 15-foot jumper ni Billy Mamaril. Friendly bounce para dito kay Billy Mamaril. Aliado loses the leather at ang bilis naman na nakakuha dito ni JJ Hildebrand. Binigay pa kay Rafi Rivas. Unselfish play. Kung pumangga ito si Harvey Carey, nakakuha naman ni Yancy De Ocampo. Yancy De Ocampo hitting his fast break plays pa. Ito naman si Jimmy Alapag. Stops and pops. Hits that TM dress. Aba na binabantayan naman ni Gilbert Lau. And Asi Taolava hits his first attempt. At to kick it out, Don Belbelano for 3. Bang! TM dress para kay Don Bel. Kailangan mabilis na.
Problema yung tenga ko, hindi ka.
Johnny Abarrietos at mamadali. Nakita si Ronald Tubid. TM dress on the way para kay Ronald Tubid. Here's Don Belbelano. Sumugod na. Harang pa ni Taolava. Mabuti na lang. Umiwas dun si Asi Taolava. League all-time steals leader. Uy, baksak dun si Ronald Tubid ha. Bumangga siya kay Asi Taolava.
Alam mo, Richard, that's a little bit of payback because ngayon, pagdaan ni Ronald Tubid, papakita
Alright, no, talagang malayo dito si Asi Taolava. Pick and roll play, left-handed layup is good. Alam mo, Asi Taolava na against Makapagal, Cardona fades away, supalpal, isa pa. It's good for Macma Cardona.
You know,
Washington launches it up! Yes! TM Torres! Sumobra sa tapang. Ito naman, Don Belbelano, matapang na galaw rin. Pero different result. Artadi, ginamit lang yung screen ni Rios, dire-diretso. Akala ko na may sipon to. Taolava leans in, wala pa rin. Tip in by Jay Washington is good.
Washington, at least ito, maambag na sa offensive rebound.
Mark Makapagal, TM Tres. Coming from Mark Makapagal. Cardona pumihit. Teardrop is good. May push it up. Cardona. Taksak si Artadi. Cardona with a floater. Cardona. Taolava dancing inside. He gets the basket. Plus a foul. 6 points already for Macma Cardona.
Side of Token Text and pagdating sa half court yung Token Text kumakamada.
Pero big TM Tres para kapalit. Tapigan ng bola. Napunta kay Belano. He shoots it. Gets the bucket. And Belano here's the familiar matchup. Hit ni Ronald Tubid. He gets another bucket. At sabay titig. Dire-diretso si Cardona. Binigay kay Alapag. Libre-libre. But this time,
You know, Macma Cardona has really
lead pass to Ronald Tubid. Hinahabol ni Alapag. And deliberate foul. Called against Jimmy Alapag.
JJ Hildebrand freeing his teammate up. But ito nga, ang daming mga cheap points ang nakukuha ni Ronald Tubid kasi nawawala yung composure ng ibang mga players ng Token Text.
Although Jimmy Alapag was never known to be a dirty player. Paul Artadi, back to Mamaril. Handoff to Artadi. And dyan siya nakaputos kanina. Same play. And that's wala.
Ano naman ako?
Uy! Ito na naman. Ronald Tubid. Yun na, makabawi kaya siya kay Ronald Tubid. Ito na ngayon. He makes his move. Oh, pasok. And may nakabawi nga. May foul pa na nakakuha mula kay Ronald Tubid. Lau makes his move. He goes baseline. Pumihit. Walang mapuntahan. Tinira na. Uy, pumasok.
didn't expect Gilbert Lau to try to attack him defensively.
Nice pass coming from Jimmy Alapag under
Last year in the All-Filipino in the semifinals. Ganyan din ginawa nila, Richard.
TM3 from Mark Macapagal, 6 points. Finish off the break.
And of course, Asi really worked on that, especially when he was out with the
Stock and text phone fouls in display. Jimmy Alapag, bang! TM3 para dito.
Pag hindi mo naman i-respeto yung 3-point shot, titirahan ka, parang ganun.
Bawi naman itong si Sunday Salvacion with a TM threat. Cardona. Ang ganda naman ng pick and roll play between Cardona and Don Aliado. Fast break para sa Barangay Ginebra. No look pass to Sunday Salvacion.
Good strong finish that they have. A lot of rebounders on the floor para dito sa Token Tech.
As he completes that play, mukha slow in getting down. Pero nandito si Harvey Carey. Harvey Carey, yes! And this is what we're talking about. The Biasi Taolava. Taolava, too strong. Don Aliado is there for the putback.
Second shot.
Aliado naman ang sumugod. Aliado left-handed layup is good. Ito, start na ulit ng ating ball game. Polar Taddy from the elbow. Two-man game between Alapag and Taolava. And Jimmy Alapag waxing hot. Alapag pulls up for 3. Bang! TM3 para kay Jimmy. Siya makalusot. Here's Ronald Tubit. Pulls up for 3. Bang! TM3 tumambling pa si Ronald. Alright, Reno Ritualo, TM3.
Of Ronald Tubit.
Dire-diretso, Don Belbelano. JJ Helterbrand inside to Ronald Tubit. Diyan siya bumawi. Hindi man ako nakabawi kanina dun sa inbound play. Ako natawagan ng foul. Dito ko nalang babawiin. Nalibreng bahagya. Offline lang. Ritualo. Bang! Nalibre si Ren Ritualo. Bang! TM3 again para kay Ren Ritualo.
Sabi niya, tinanong ko na yan sa inyo nung practice. How will we win games? Ang sagot daw dyan, defense and...
Knows defense. Good things eventually happen to your team. You get the chance to get easy points.
Just like this by Billy Mamaril. Aljamal with a leaner pero wala. Yan si De Ocampo. Back to Aljamal, and Aljamal finally kanina pa niya hinahanap. Here's Don Belbelano, he spots up for 3, bang! DM3. Ito kanina pa to
There's so many
Belano
cheap
tsaka
shots that have been going on. Ito,
Yes,
Belano
yes.
tsaka si Mamaril.
Sa pag-setup ng screen ni Mamaril kay Belano, kanina pa yan.
Well, you know,
Play! Ang ganda naman ng extra pass dito kay Jay Washington. Oh. And this time it's Mike Holper with another layup. Wala yung kanyang layup pero ito na naman after new Billy Mamaril. Oh, and continuation given dito kay Billy Mamaril. Pa, inabot nitong si Sunday Salvacion and Harvey Carey hindi nagustuhan yung pagkapit. Ito po nasa free throw line ngayon. Best player dun sa unang panalo ng Ginebra, scored 21 points. Second servings, wala pa rin. At yung bola, ito na naman si Mac Macardona at Sunday Salvacion. Sabi ni Mac Macardona, hindi.
Ay, kilala ko to, kilala.
Oo.
You know, nakita niya si Sunday, ay, hindi, kaibigan ko yan, walang problema.
Tsaka kapitbahay na eskwelahan. Inbounds play! Sunday Salvacion, libre! Bang! TM3 para kay Sunday Salvacion and just Helterbrand fades away. Helterbrand gets the basket. Ito, Cardona. Mamadali, Cardona gets the basket. May foul pa.
They're in the lead, o kaya sila humahabol.
And now, the points are coming in. Goes to Cardona. In and out. Oh! Salvacion. Helterbrand shoots a 3. Bang! TM3 for JJ Helter. Baka kunin na tong game na to except for those free throws. 4 na mintes para kay Jimmy Alapag.
You know, get 10 points, 6 rebounds, and 9 assists.
Pagkawala ng kanilang two main starters, Eric Meng and Mark Tagiwa. Kaya naka-TM3 pa rin dito.